Building and keeping wealth isn't about luck or inheritance. Rich people often use leverage to grow their money and secure their future. These strategies aren't just for the wealthy. Anyone can learn and use them. This video will show you 6 main leverage points that wealthy people use to build and grow their wealth. By learning and using these methods, you can also make big progress in growing your money and staying financially stable. So, let's get started. Number 1. Business ownership. Owning and running a business or holding a share in one is a powerful way to build wealth. When you own a business, you can earn profits directly from its operations, which can significantly increase your income. Over time, as your business grows and becomes more valuable, the equity you hold in it appreciates, making your stake in the business worth more. Also, there's potential to sell your business or your part of it for substantial financial returns. To grow wealth through business ownership, you can expand your business to increase revenue, invest in different businesses or industries to reduce risk, and reinvest profits to help your business grow more. These strategies ensure business ownership remains a powerful way to build and sustain wealth. Although diversification has advantages, it also comes with risks and challenges. Here are a few to note. Financial risk. Starting a business requires significant money and carries the risk of financial loss if it doesn't succeed. Market competition. Heavy competition can affect profitability and market share, making it harder for the business to grow. Economic fluctuations. Economic downturns or unstable markets can affect business income and growth prospects. Operational challenges. Effective management leads to goal achievement, while poor management risks business failure. Cash flow management. Making sure money flows steadily is crucial because cash flow issues can harm the business even if it looks profitable on paper. Number 2. Leveraging debt. This means using borrowed money to invest lets you make bigger investments than just using your own savings, which could lead to higher profits. When used wisely, debt can amplify your returns and offer tax benefits, as interest on some types of loans can be deducted from your taxes. Wealthy individuals often manage their debt levels carefully to avoid excessive borrowing. They choose debt options with low interest rates and favorable terms to keep costs low, while also diversifying their investments to reduce risk and stabilize returns. By wisely using debt, you can get more funds, increase your profits, and benefit from tax breaks, all of which help you build and grow your wealth. While leveraging debt can be helpful, it's also important to be aware of these risks and challenges. Financial risk. Borrowing money increases the risk of major financial loss if investments fail. High interest costs. High interest debt can reduce profitability and put pressure on cash flow. Market fluctuations. This condition can create income uncertainty, leading to difficulty in debt repayment. Credit risk. Not managing debt well can hurt your credit score and make it harder to get good loans later. Interest rate fluctuations. Interest rate changes can increase borrowing costs, hurting profitability and stability. Number 3. Diversification. This method means putting your money into different types of investments to reduce risk and ensure stability. Diversification also includes investing in different sectors, such as technology and healthcare, as well as in different geographic regions and asset types like stocks, bonds, and real estate. By not putting all your money into one type of investment, you can avoid big losses if one investment performs poorly. This approach balances high-risk investments, making your overall portfolio stronger and more resilient to market fluctuations. Rich people often spread their money across different investments to lower risk and make more profit, ensuring their wealth keeps growing steadily even if some investments don't do well. However, diversification is not without its risks and challenges. Here are some points to consider. Risk of overlapping investments. Investing in many similar funds or assets can accidentally increase risk instead of lowering it. Management complexity. Managing a highly diversified portfolio needs time, fees, and expertise, increasing the risk of mistakes or mismanagement. Liquidity issues. Some diversified investments, like real estate or certain bonds, are less liquid, making it hard to access funds quickly. Market correlation. During financial crises, various investments may lose value simultaneously, reducing diversification's effectiveness. Lack of focus. Over-diversifying can make you miss high-return investments because you're not focused on them. Number 4. Tax optimization. This means planning your finances smartly to reduce the amount of taxes you pay, which helps in growing your wealth. It involves using tax breaks like credits, exemptions, and incentives to lower your taxable income. You can choose either standard or itemized deductions to save more on taxes, and use accounts like individual retirement accounts, IRAs, and health savings accounts, HSAs, to grow your money without paying taxes right away. To optimize taxes effectively, use strategies like moving income to lower tax jurisdictions, timing income and expenses, maximizing retirement account contributions, and managing investment profits wisely. Though it requires careful planning, tax optimization is a powerful financial growth tool, as these methods collectively reduce tax liabilities and increase investment returns to help grow and maintain your wealth. However, like any financial strategy, tax optimization has risks and challenges to consider. Regulatory changes. Tax laws and regulations keep changing, making it hard to stay up to date and plan your taxes effectively. Complexity. Tax optimization is complex and requires special knowledge that not everyone has. Legal risks. Aggressive tax planning can sometimes lead to legal attention and potential penalties. Liquidity issues. Some tax-advantaged investments may have restrictions on withdrawals, affecting liquidity. Over-reliance on tax benefits. Focusing too much on tax benefits can result in poor investment choices. Number 5. Networking and relationships. This means connecting with people who can offer support, find new opportunities, form partnerships, and provide valuable advice. You can build different types of networks like professional, social, and industry-specific, each offering unique benefits and opportunities. Having a variety of networks helps you grow both personally and professionally. The benefits of networking include access to new markets, forming strategic alliances, and receiving advice from experienced professionals. Effective networking requires attending events, being active in professional groups, and participating in mentorship programs, while maintaining relationships through regular communication, providing value, and showing appreciation. Networking and building strong relationships provide valuable resources and knowledge, enhancing your wealth and easing financial opportunities. Before you use this leverage, consider the following risks and challenges. Trust and reliability. Trusting unreliable people can result in misinformation, broken partnerships, and losing money. Time and effort. Maintaining strong relationships takes time and effort, which can be hard to balance with other commitments. Reputation risks. Associating with disreputable individuals or groups can harm your credibility and career. Conflict of interest. Balancing relationships with conflicting personal and professional interests can create tough decisions and tension. Burnout. Constant networking and managing relationships can lead to burnout and reduce your effectiveness over time. Number 6. Continuous education and learning. This leverage plays an important role in growing wealth by keeping you competitive through continuous skill and knowledge updates. Learning isn't just formal education. It can come from online courses, workshops, or self-study, helping you make better decisions and solve problems effectively. When you invest time in learning, you're not just gaining knowledge. You're also putting yourself in environments where you can meet other professionals. In short, learning not only enhances your skills and knowledge, but also expands your professional network, which can improve your chances of financial growth and success. But remember, continuous learning comes with its own risks and challenges. Here are some potential downsides to consider. Time investment. Balancing education with personal and work responsibilities can be hard and time-consuming. Cost. Educational programs, courses, and materials can be expensive, which may strain your finances. Quality of education. Course and program quality varies, and not all offer the desired value or outcomes. Motivation and discipline. Keeping up the motivation and discipline to learn for a long time is hard. Keeping up with changes. Rapid tech and industry changes require ongoing learning, which can be tiring and demanding. Remember, these strategies are for everyone, not just the wealthy. So, start your journey today and build your financial future. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and share it with your friends and family to inspire them on their financial journey. See you next video.